What's going on, guys? For those of you who subscribe to my channel, welcome back. If this is your first time here, please hit that subscribe button if you find this information at all useful by the end of this video. Also, if you don't want to miss my future videos, go ahead and ring that bell to get notified every time I post new content. I hope everyone had a great weekend and a happy 4th of July to those of you here in the US. I know I had an amazing time with my family. We ate some great food, went swimming, and we even let off a few fireworks. So yeah, it was pretty fun. As you may have noticed, this video is pretty short and sweet compared to most of my other videos, but don't worry, I have a new very in-depth walkthrough of how I use dodge and burn coming up in my next video. Hopefully that'll help you guys out. Now, all of the content has already been recorded, I just need to edit it, and in the meantime, let's take a look at my favorite way to save images for Facebook. So I use this method every single time for every image, and they always turn out pretty amazing. The main reason why I'm doing this tutorial is I often share my work on Facebook in the Photoshop and Photography group, Portraits and Off-Camera Flash group, Godox Users group, and a few others. And the question I get asked most in every group is, how is there so much detail in your photo when you upload to Facebook? Well, here's how I do that. So the first thing you'll notice is this image is complete. So I have all of my layers done and everything. I have my sharpening done. So this would be pretty much ready for print, okay? So in order to resize this and resample it for Facebook, we're gonna go right up to the top here. I'm gonna go to File, Export, Export As, and then we're going to change a few settings here. So on this right hand side, you're going to see all these different settings, and I'm going to walk you through those right now. And I like to change this to PNG, is kind of my go-to. And then your image size is really going to depend on whether you have a landscape or a portrait like this. Okay, and what I mean is, whatever the biggest number is, so my biggest number is 6048, okay? If this was a landscape, my width would actually be 6048 and not my height. So what we want to do is we want to take our biggest number, so in portrait that's going to be our height. We'll highlight that, and then you're just going to simply input 2048 and then click right off to the side. And that's automatically going to scale that down. It's going to automatically adjust the width for you, and it scales it down to about 33% or so. Now, when you scale down an image like this and you make it a little bit smaller, you typically want to sharpen it just a little bit more to get that sharpness back, because resampling it is going to take some of that out. So we're going to go down to this next option, this resample, and we're going to hit bicubic sharper, and that's basically just going to run a sharpening over the whole image to get it back up to par to where it was as a full image. And then we're not going to mess with the canvas size. The metadata you can leave as none or put copyright and contact info. That's completely up to you. Color space, we're going to go ahead and check convert to sRGB to make sure that the colors are going to be correct. And then we can also embed color profile. I don't know that we really need to do this, but I do it anyways. And then we'll go ahead and hit the export button. And then you can name it whatever you want. So I'm just going to name this Golden Child. And since I've already saved it before, I'm just going to hit YT for YouTube. Okay, so I'll save that out, and that photo is ready for upload to Facebook without any degradation in quality. It should look really good once you upload it. You should still be able to zoom in and see all the sharpness and everything, and that's it. Really simple. Alright guys, like I said at the beginning of this video, if you like this video, if this was helpful, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe, and then hit that notification bell so you guys don't miss any more of my tutorials. Like I said, I have a dodge and burn tutorial coming up next. Now that one's going to be pretty long. I'm anticipating it to be at least an hour long, so You might want to get your coffee ready, get some snacks, and be ready to sit down with me and spend some time. All right, everybody have a great day.